Racing as they battle for the 2017 Pilracom Commissioners Cup. We have the quick striding Skyway break, quick leader start, low profile in second. Canlaon is racing in third. Dixie Gold, then comes Court of Honor moving up, hot and spicy. Manalig Ka, while Silhouette is the early trailer by about 12 lengths up the leader, and going along for the first turn is Skyway on its favorite position as the pace setter, enjoying a 2 lengths lead. Low profile is right behind in second, very close to this Canlaon. Dixie Gold comes next, then followed now by Court of Honor, hot and spicy. Manalig Ka second less, while Silhouette is racing in less. Down the back stretch they traveled. We have Skyway is still in control by about 4 lengths, and in second low profile Canlaon remains in third. Dixie Gold, then next on line is Court of Honor, hot and spicy. Manalig Ka, while Silhouette is still racing in less. Race now getting more exciting as the rider now is starting to make the moves inside the 3 October. Where is Skyway is still in control by about 2 lengths. Low profile now trying to get closer in second. Then comes Canlaon, then followed now by Dixie Gold. Moving up is Manalig Ka as they swing to home. Skyway moving up on the outside is low profile. Manalig Ka comes next. We're about 150 meters more to run. Skyway, low profile. Manalig Ka is running inside. Low profile. Manalig Ka, a long shot, and finally it's Manalig Ka. Low profile. Then comes Skyway, hot and spicy.
Bayang Karerista, para po dito sa ating race number 5, we have an upset with entry number